We all know that winter in this region can be very cold, windy, and a warm environment is the best place to get cozy. Today's Tuesday Quick Tip will offer some ideas to keep pests from choosing your home as their winter resort. Hi, I'm Mitch, a University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener. Pests like mice, stink bugs, boxelder bugs, lady beetles, and cluster flies are common in our region. Following the integrated pest management strategy of prevention, before cold weather arrives, check your house and close up openings before pests can move in. Pests like the sunny side of your home. They like the heat that reflects off light-colored siding and glass. Windowsills, doors, and other entryways are favorite entry points for any pests. Make sure that your door threshold and weather stripping are in good shape. Seal any open siding, door joints, and jambs with caulking. Closing these openings keeps pests out with the added bonus of keeping the heat in. Put screens on doors, windows, and vents. Make sure those screens are in good condition and that the frames fit tightly. And when you do find some of these creepy crawly pests inside, remember that insecticides and pesticides are likely ineffective. For best results, give them the boot manually by just removing them. And your vacuum cleaner might be your best ally in evicting these invaders. Pest management is not just for inside your home, but it also extends to your yard. Keep wood and mulch away from the sides of your house. Have adequate drainage away from your house. Ensure your trees are not touching or hanging over the house either. Check the bottom edge of your siding for any openings and the foundation for any cracks. It just takes a small opening for mice or other pests to enter. Check any pipes that penetrate your siding or walls, as this is an excellent way for pests to enter your house. And there you have it. A few fall maintenance chores to seal up your house and encourage those freeloaders looking for those easy quarters to move right along. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next video. And until next time, see you in the garden.